Alright, here is number 1 on the chapter review. Arrange the following numbers on a number line, no calculator. So let's just take each one. Something that we'll notice is there's exactly 10 nicks. So each one is 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.4, 0.5, 0.6, 0.7, 0.8, 0.9, and then it rounds up to the next one. So let's estimate this one and get it on the number line. Square root of 3. I know that's between the square numbers 1, because 1 times 1 is 1, and 4. The square root of 1 is 1, and the square root of 4 is 2. So I know this is between 1 and 2, and 3 is closer to 4, so it's going to be above half. So I'm going to go halfway here, and then probably halfway, so right here. So let's just say 1.7 square root of 3, because it's between 1 and 4, which reduced to 1 and 2, so it's got to be between 1 and 2. Next one, 15 over 7. I know that 7 goes into 14 twice, so this is a little bit bigger than 2. So let's go to 2.1. So right here, I'm going to label this 15 over 7. Square root of 17. That is between the square numbers of 16 and 25. It is closer to 16, and that's a 4. So this is really close to 4. I'm going to say 4.1. So let's go to 4.1 right here. Square root 17. Let's do square root of 36. We know that's exactly 6, so we can put that right here. Square root of 36. Square root of 5. That is between the square number 4 and the square number 9. It is closer to 4. There's not too many numbers between 4 and 9, so let's go to this reduces to 2 and this reduces to 3, so this is going to be between 2 and 3, and it's closer to 4. So I'm going to say 2.2 square root of 5. 1.5? Well, let's go to 1.5. And the last one, square root of 11, that is between the square numbers 9 and 16. And it is a little bit closer to 9, not as close to 16, so I know it's going to be closer to 3 than closer to 4. It's right between here. Closer to 3, so let's just say 3.3. Over and out.